To delete your all Facebook photos at once on your PC, open Facebook and go to your Facebook profile. Now from your profile, you have to click this three dot and open Activity Log. Then in this left-hand menu, click on your Facebook activity and choose here Post. Under Post, you have to select your post, photos and videos. And here you will find all your Facebook posted photos and videos. Now to delete all of them at once, first of all, you have to scroll down and you have to load all your photos and videos just like this. Once you've successfully reached to the bottom, now scroll up all the way to the top and then click on all. This will select your all Facebook photos and videos. Once you've selected, just click on trash and all your Facebook photos including videos will be deleted at once. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.